You're creating your first email and have to choose between the option of Classic Builder and New Builder. You might be wondering, what's the difference? You've come to the right place. We have an exciting video diving into the differences of builders and how to change between the two builders in our settings. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Brianna and I'm a digital marketing lead at Greyson Enterprises. I currently specialize in web design and email marketing, and I'm here to help you become an email marketer expert. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, firstly, you may be wondering, what are email builders? Email builders offer essential tools to craft visually appealing marketing emails, featuring customizable or pre-designed templates and user-friendly drag-and-drop contact blocks. These email builders are within every email platform, making email design simple and easy to learn. Now, what's the difference between Classic and New Builder? Classic Builder features an option to custom code an email template and include a RSS, which is the acronym for Really Simple Syndication, feed in your email. New Builder has the option to undo, redo your edits to your drafts, integrate third-party platforms with the app's content block, use a content optimizer option for guidance on your marketing content, and add a survey content block to collect feedback from your subscribers. Based on this information, you can select which builder best benefits your next email campaign. However, you may be curious, how do I change between builders? Great, let's get started with our tutorial in our Mailchimp account. Now that you're in your Mailchimp account, you're going to want to click on your profile page, then click on Profile. Then you're going to want to go down to Settings and click on Details. Then scroll down. And now you have the option to decide which builder you want to choose. But you may be wondering, what will happen to my previous emails? Well, previously built emails will still be in their originally selected templates. This also means that previously built emails cannot convert to the newly chosen builder. Having gained an understanding of the distinctions between Classic and New Builder, you are now able to determine which builder has the greatest advantages for your next email campaign. By making this informed decision, you have taken another significant stride towards becoming an email marketing professional. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this among your friends and colleagues.